In this Flip Booklets review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Flip Booklets. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discount link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Flip Booklets. Flip Booklets is a software that converts your PDFs into beautiful PDF Flip Booklets in seconds. This is what you should see once you've either first signed up or even logging in again. So this is the main dashboard page, and I'm going to quickly go through each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So straight off the bat, up in the top left hand corner is the Flip Booklets logo. This is actually clickable like most softwares, which is a cool feature. Once you click that, it should take you to the main dashboard page, which we are on right now. All the way to the right of that we have the dashboard button, and this should again take you to the dashboard page, which is the same page. To the right of that you have the Your Books section. This is where your books would appear if you have any books or have actually made any books on this software in the past. To the right of that you have your Analytics section, which is actually any analytics that are running through the software. To the right of that we have the Language section, where you can actually change it, but it's now currently on English, and that language is coming soon. To the right of that we have the Account section, and when you click on the arrow to the right of that, you can see you can go on your account, support if you need any support within the software, or even log out if you wish to do so. So this is the main dashboard page. It says it right here in black and white. It says welcome, then your name. Right here is your account overview, system status, and then notifications. You have your total books right here, your total book views, your, again, system status, which is live, and then any notifications. But personally I don't have any notifications right now because I've only just created my account. So once you've run through all that information and got yourself used to the software, you're going to go ahead and click create your first book. So once we go ahead and click create your first book on this button right here, once I click it, it should take you to this page right here. Now it gives your title, link, embed code, analytics and actions right here. This is just where any of your books in the past would actually appear once you've actually created them. You can actually go ahead and search them right here and search for the name if you can't find it. And then to the left of that it says create new book, and this is where you'd create your new book. So once you click on that, it takes you to this page where it says add a new book. Right here it has the general settings for it. You have your title, URL, the PDF, interface language, and then down here you have the SEO area. So we're going to go ahead and actually give it a title of our new book, and then we're just going to title it Reviews. So once you've titled it, it should give you your URL as well, and then below that it should say choose a file for your PDF. Right now I have 10 megabytes max because I am not on the upgraded version and I am on the free version. Same with the interface language and the powered by. That is the upgrade to disable it. So I want to go ahead and click choose file, and once you click choose file it should open up your computer's file where you can go ahead and actually click your PDF. Now for you guys, you would go ahead and actually add your own book that you are making, but I just went ahead and downloaded a random book online because I haven't actually made a book for this review. So I just downloaded this one. It's called Living in the Light, and then it's some sort of self-help book. So once you've done that, you scroll down, see if you want to type in anything else. You can type in your meta title and meta description, any design settings, but I don't have them, again because you have to upgrade to enable these. If you were upgraded, you can actually have a single or spread view. You can have your icon color and background color. Same with the PDF download, privacy and password protected. So once you've been through all that, you go ahead and click create in the bottom right hand corner. It should say uploading and generating. It only takes a few seconds, and then now it has created your book. It should say up here in the top right hand corner, book created, and this is the page where you can actually review your book, and this is it. So right here it says the amount of pages your book has in the bottom left hand corner of this bar, 1 out of 258. Next we have the little plus sign which actually zooms you in and out, and then the minus sign again zooms out. You have the play button to actually play it. Next you have the search button to search anything, bookmark button, pages button, and then download PDF, volume, and also toggle full screen if you wish to do so. So this arrow right here, you can actually go ahead and go through your book now. So it actually is a really cool software because it changes all of the pages in your PDF to some sort of moving book. As you can see, as we're going through the pages, it actually moves the book pages like it's actually moving them properly, rather than just switching between the pages that have actually been written on during the PDF. It pretty much makes the book, or the PDF book that you've made, a really realistic version of what you have actually made. Gives you some sort of visualization if you've made a book on a PDF file, and you can actually see how it would come out if you were to make it an actual book. So once you're back on this page now, it gives you your account overview. Again, this is your total books, and now it has changed to 1 since we did create 1 book. It also gives you your total book views right here, where it says we have 2. I don't know how we have 2 since I am the only one who have used it, but it does say 2. Right here below that you can click view books, and once you click that, it should take you to the section where you can actually view your books. Personally for me, the book limit has been reached for your plan, so I can go ahead and delete it if I wish to do so, or if I want to create another one, since I can only create one because I'm on the free plan. Right here it gives you your title, which I named it reviews, the link for it where you can actually go ahead and copy it and share it to people, embedded code, analytics where you can actually view them, and then actions. You can actually view it, edit it, or even bin it. So that's pretty much it for this area. You can go ahead and click view analytics, and it should take you to the analytics section. It should say last 14-day views, total views, and it gives you a few graphs on how you can actually see all of your device types, browser types, and operating system. And that's pretty much it for this software. And there you go, that is it for the Flipbooklets software. Overall, I think it's a great software, and a few features I liked is that you can actually go ahead and import your PDF with ease, and it creates a really beautifully created PDF booklet. I like how the pages can actually flip back and forth. I think that's a really great feature for a software like this, and it makes the book actually look realistic. So if you want to visualize any of the books you've created, this would be the software for you. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, again, I absolutely would. If this is a software where you actually want to create books and visualize any booklets you have made, this is the software for that. You'd use this, again, to see any books and how they would come out, and see what your books would look like. A few other features I liked is how simplistic and easy the software is to use, and if I was a book person, I would upgrade past the free trial. Overall, I think it's a good software. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.